It's here. What's the deal? It's Joke for you right now. How you feel? So look, don't mind me. I know I'm looking kind of rough right now, but look. Every time I get on here and hop on here, y'all know it's something exciting. It's rushing. I'm excited. So look, I have some videos before this, but I'm pretty sure I'm not going to cut this or anything. I'm just probably going to put this out. So you're probably not going to see no edits. I'm sorry if you're new here. I usually edit my videos, but I'm just a little excited right now for this. So most thing I'm going to do is going to speed up the video and cut it. So look. It's here. Oh my god. I'm so happy. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to unbox y'all. If my room look a little messy, my bad about that too. Because I'm just excited, y'all. And I can't wait to cut it on for y'all and show y'all everything. You feel me? Like I said, do not look at nothing in the background. I'm excited, y'all. Like I'm opening this up with y'all, you feel me? Like we about to have a good little lighting in the video. And then what I really got this for, like when I do my eyebrows and stuff, it's not enough light for me, and it be looking kind of off. So I need to make sure everything goes even, you know, and it look right. Okay. Let's try to stand in this light. Oh man. Now this light's supposed to be okay, A1. I'm gonna plug it up. And right now I might plug it up to see, you know, how the light cut on and stuff. I honestly don't know what's going on, y'all. I gotta figure this out. Oh, there you go.
What the fuck?
What the heck? Oh no, they got me messed up. It's broken. I know I could probably just clamp it back on, but that's ghetto already. Right, don't do that to me. Alright, there we go. Oh wait, I gotta put this under first. Ooh, sweet. Okay, there we go. There we go. My God. Alright. Let's just cut it on good. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Finally got it, y'all. Okay, so this is the brightest it go, I guess. Oh yeah, my camera about to die, so I'm about to tap back in when I put the stand up, and then I'm gonna show y'all, and then that's gonna be the end of the box thing. It took me a while to figure out the stand, but I kind of figured like it had to expand some type of way. I had to screw something, so I finally got it. So here's a tip: if you get one of these, it's this right here. You gotta unscrew that all the way. It's not gonna break or nothing. Then you gotta just pull the legs out. That's what had me here stuck for a minute. All right, now the second part is the ring light. I don't know how to put this on this ring light. We about to try to unscrew something over here.
And
like UV and I don't know how to do this.
No!
Yep. There it goes. Oh, something. Oops. Okay. Now we just put it on there. Screw it. Back in. Yes, sir. Okay. I'm trying to look in the mirror. Yeah. Okay, I'm about to set it up and then I'm about to show y'all. But here it goes. I'm about to show y'all. I don't know how it's recording right now, but I guess it wanted to. I'm actually setting up the camera right now. I didn't set up my camera because let me turn this light off back here. I didn't set up my camera because it's dead. But I set my phone up. It's not really giving me some good vibes right now, but you could tell I got a ring light. Excuse my hair light. I'm about to fix that up. Probably make another video after this. So I gotta drop a lot of videos. But I don't know if it's like the ring light giving this color off. Turn it down. You'll see it. I just turned it down. Yeah, you know, that look a little better and stuff. But no more lamp. That's what I was using for my light. I set this up. I'm about to show y'all a view from the camera too. You know, you feel me? Because I got y'all. This is the view of the camera. View of the camera. Let me show y'all how I look. That's how I look in the camera. Turned it down. That's how I look. Turn it up. Whoa, that's too much. But yeah, I'm glad I invested in this ring light because I'm really excited for it. I'm ready to use it. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing, but I got something else coming in the mail too. So it's all coming together. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and come back because I will be here in peace. I'm probably about to get into this room for real. Oh, sorry, I forgot y'all was wondering too. Oh yeah, I heard what I said. Do say. I can't stop recording. Oh shit, I must got this. Oh, this is embarrassing. I must got this on. Alright, I'm back. I'm really not even recording in the right thing, but I just wanted to show y'all the setup because I just can't, like, I'm in love with this light. It's something different, you feel me? And I feel like when I start recording it's gonna be even better, but the reason why I keep looking over there is because my phone is up here and I'm on live, but nobody in my live. That don't even matter, but I just wanted to show y'all. Like, it never end well. I was speechless. I'm trying to figure out more like content or something I can do. Like, I could just sit here and talk. Probably never. Well, I hope I don't get copyrighted, and I hope I heard everything I said, but yeah, I had to show y'all that.
That's all, folks.